We interrupt our programming. This is an important message from the creator of this channel.
Testing. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important message from Dollar General EAS Scenarios and Shops. Good afternoon, everybody. At the time of filming this, it is 4:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on a sunny Saturday, January 17th. I know that this message is a little too late, but I still wanted to get it out as soon as I could. Thank you very much for 400 subscribers. I cannot believe we actually got to 400. I want to take a moment to thank every single one of you for subscribing to my channel over the past 2 years. I only started this channel for fun, but because of you guys keeping me going, I've become a full-time YouTuber. And I just want to say one more time, thank you for 400 subscribers. Our next milestone is 450. This concludes this important message from Dollar General EAS Scenarios and Shops. Thank you for your attention.